Lord God, man. Poor me big boy. Film love life look dark. Me say Mavis a go left him. Hey, you know what? I better call him and find out if him is okay. Me say Mavis a give away the kitty cat.
Hello?
Hello, yes. So son.
Yes, ma.
Tell me something. What kind of dolly house you and Mavis a play?
And I don't call me for me tell me say. Me say, me father talk call me for me tell me say, Baba. Me tell you, you don't know me situation. Me tell you hide in the bathroom because hurricane a come. And you call me a come ask me about Mavis. You ask me about Irma.
Stop talk fart on me ears. The only situation is that you're not satisfactorize the woman.
You know she say Mavis no good. You say, if you know she say Mavis no good.
Mavis is a good woman. If you can't waste it, then you damn well and face it. If you want keep your woman son, and that you have to do.
Do everything do already. We do everything do already.
You do your work. You would reach so far.
What we are talking about? We are talking about say we would reach so far.
You don't know. Mavis want her touch up.
And then he want J possession grind off Mavis so.
And that fi happen to you. Look how much time she called. I said to you she want her touch up. And you tell her so you can't come now cause you stay till you get brown and all now you can't reach.
If Hurricane Irma in the boat, would I step on the sea and go over there, go tap up in a Mavis and J post head. It was them. Oh, you can't handle it.
Leave Mavis alone, you hear me? Cause the only step up I go on is J-Post a step up in a Mavis belly.
We just say that for no
You
fam, mama.
man.
We just say that
Where
for.
sweet nanny goat a go run him belly. See there, Mavis gone.
Look here. Instead of you call me tell me about Mavis, talk about Irma. Irma a better girl for Mavis right now. You can't handle it. Look here, I am okay and I'm in the best of health right now. So if you call and go, you can't bother. Full of yourself. You call me, you're supposed to tell me what I go along. You come on Mavis side and you don't know Mavis. You ever lay down with Mavis yet? You never. So I'm okay. Okay? Me there. Me good.
Son, come off of my phone, you hear me? If you want to keep your woman, you have to face it.
You go face it. You.
Look on the amount of things. Son, when me boy you when you was a little boy, and you want to tell me say down there not functioning right? Good God, man. The amount of things me mix up. Well, me fi tell you.
The only thing you mix was sugar water.
Son, come off from my phone. Because I pay fat water.
Same thing, you never dey on my side
What
yet.
you mean? Me fi dey on your side. Son, make I tell you something.
You are damn hypocrite just like Mavis.
What you talking about, son?
You can't stand it.
Mr. Mavis not doing anything wrong. As old as me be. You hear me? As old as be me I take injection.
Making a long. Because, what you think? Making a long if you gone. What we do?
Mavis, you wear the kitty cat cause you not take care of it. Well, me glad that you're okay. I'm in the best of health. I have to go now. Later, son. Come here to go peep on Mavis.
Thanks for watching Jamaican Grandpa Speaks Out. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow for more comedy, cause I'm me, say viral.